Turn off my light. I'm gonna beat your ass. Turn it off. Now. Do not make me get up.
Blah 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 blah. It doesn't matter what I say. Blah blah. Because the all-new HTC One is designed for people who form their own opinions. So go ahead. Cross the internet.
No. You have a good look at
Blah blah blah. The all-new HTC One M8.
Let's do a brand new day. Let's step away from the bland and let the color fly. Let's get to the one store with more number one choices that match this or this without using too much of this. Then crack open a can and get to it. Paint? No. Let's do pow. Let's do this. More saving, more doing. And that's the power of the Home Depot. Right now, get $5 off cans and $20 off buckets of Air Ultra interiors.
Come here, Caleb.
Get on the ball, okay?
Come here, Caleb.
All right, buddy.
Come here. I didn't do that. Malik did that.
like that.
Malik did that. Come here.
Focus on the
Where's
ball,
my
right?
battery? Come here. Come here. Come here.
Give your backyard a fresh new look this spring.
Where's my battery?
Never stop improving.
Hello. This is where we do that bundling thing. Let's see what you got. All of these covered. Folder paper and hotel.
I never do.
Motorcycle? Check.
Stop.
ATV.
I read those.
Stop. Wait.
Oh, I made him.
Shut up.
Caleb, come out the back.
Fan with air fire breathing drivers. The more you bundle, the more you save. Now that's progressive.
One word.
What?
Bacon.
Chicken, bacon, tomato, what's not
Can't
to
even
love?
take it out
Real
of
chicken, Roma tomatoes, fine ripe, hardly smoked bacon, sprinkled with the aged Parmesan.
It's our garlic parmesan line, and there's much more to come.
Try one now for just $10 and get any other pizza for $11. Pizza Hut.
Sunday, April 13th, the stars will align for the 2014 UNCF and Evening of Stars, where rising stars and superstars come together in an electrifying celebration of young minds. Welcome, everybody! Taking center stage, Jill Scott, Trey Songz, Spoken Reason, Seven Streeter, Usher, and many more.
We
Can make a difference. Don't miss an all-new 2014 UNCF and Evening of Stars, hosted by Anthony Anderson. Sunday, April 13th at 10 on BET. We got you.
Why did you leave him alone?
April, he's gone. Okay? Took his keys, he won't be back. You okay?
Stop.
I
Stop.
should have known.
April, it's not your fault.
I should have
Battery.
the way he looked at her. I should have known.
Ooh.
Stop playing.
Like my mother should have known.
Fix my rug. Fix my rug.
She would always say whatever happens in this house stays in this house.
Fix my rug. Yes.
Nothing ever gets healed if you keep it covered up. Should have known. A man, a grown man, takes interest in a little kid. Something ain't right. Get off of me. Are you one too?
What?
A child molester. Are you a child molester, Santino?
Are you asking me this question?
Why do you care so much about those kids? I had a nerve.
Enough.
What you like, huh? Do you like the little girls or do you like the little boys?